Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is 2t plus 1 divided by t, and the whole power is 2t plus 1 equals 8 by 27. You have to find the value of t. We will solve this question step by step. First of all, we will make the power same as the fraction, that is 2t plus 1 divided by t. It's mean we will divide both left hand side and right hand side by t. So 2t plus 1 divided by t, 2t plus 1 is divided by t. Similarly, 8 by 27 is divided by 1 by t. Both left hand side and right hand side are divided by t. Now in the next step, we will consider that, let's suppose 2t plus 1 divided by t equals m. We have to find the value of t. We will change the variable. So split this t. So 2t by t plus 1 by t equals m. It's mean that t and t are cancelled out and we have only 2. So 2 plus 1 by t equals m. Then 1 by t equals m minus 2. We will make this supposition here. 2t plus 1 by t equals m. So m power m, and in the right hand side we will write 8 by 27 and 1 by t equals m minus 2. Now in the next step we will solve this as we have base and its power both are same. So in this side we have 8 by 27. So we also want to make its power as by taking m power m, and that equals, so we will write this as 27 by 8 and then power is reversed. So it will become 2 minus m. Now in the next step, we will divide both sides by 2 minus m. So 27 by 8 power 2 minus m is divided by 2 minus m. It's mean that 2 minus m and 2 minus m both are cancelled out. So we have m power m by 2 minus m, that equals 27 by 8. Now 27 is the cube of 3 and 8 is the cube of 2. So we have m power m by 2 minus 3, 2 minus m equals 3 cube by 2 cube. Then we have 3 by 2 and whole power is 3. Here we have m power m by 2 minus m. Now we will make the substitution here as we see m and its power is m. Bases and its power is same and divided by 2 minus m. It's mean that we will make this changing here. It will be divided by 2. So we will write this as 3 by 2 and its power will be 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. We will write this here. We will again write this here, m power m by 2 minus m, and that equals 3 by 2. Its power is 3 multiplied by 1 by 2, and this is 3 by 1 multiplied by 1 by 2. It's mean that 3 by 2 power 3 by 2 and divided by 1 by 2. Now we have to make this as 3 by 2, 2 minus 3 by 2. So to get 2, what will be we add in this? So that means it will become equal 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 will equals 2, and 1 by 2 equals 2 minus 3 by 2. We will make this supposition here. So 3 by 2 equals 2 minus 1 by 2. So in this place we will write 2 minus 1 by 2 and divided by, or this remains the same, 3 by 2 power 3 by 2, and in the denominator we have 2 minus 3 by 2. It's mean that m to the power m by 2 minus m. Now we see that bases are same, m, and this is 3 by 2, its power is m, its power is 3 by 2, 2 minus m, and here we have 2 minus 3 by 2. That means m equals 3 by 2. Now we have to find the value of t. Since 2t plus 1 divided by t equals m, and m equals 3 by 2, so we get value of t as 2t plus 1 multiplied by 2, and 3 is multiplied by t. So 4t plus 2 equals 3t. That means 4t minus 3t equals minus 2. So t equals minus 2. So the value of t is 2. Now we will do the verification, is our answer is correct or not. So verify. 2 into t is minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2, and the whole power 2 into t is minus 2 plus 1. So this is minus 4 plus 1 and minus 2, and minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So we get 3 by 2 whole power is minus 3. So to make it positive, we will write 2 by 3 power 3, that is 8 by 27. It's mean that our solution t equals minus 2 is correct. We will write the final answer, that t equals minus 2. So this is the final solution of this problem. This is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.